today, if you haven't heard from the introduction already, we have a performance. I trust that everybody has seen those weird Taiwanese, Korean, Japanese game shows where contestants are doing the most random thing in the world. That's what we're doing today. So, we're gonna have my team, some students from FASCA and some students from UMD AK Psi are gonna be demonstrating the activities for you, and then we will actually call up audience members to maybe win a gift card and compete with each other, right? So, activity 1 is going to be with Chloe over there, and you will be making Japanese green tea, but with the clogs on your hands, right? So you have to open up the water bottle, you have to get the tea open, steep the tea, all with the clogs on your hands. And the second person will be with the Taiwanese clogs, and you have to poke a boba straw through the cup with the clogs on your hands as well, right? And then the third and fourth contestants are going to be with clogs and slippers on their hands. They have this Japanese practice baseball that a lot of kids use normally in Japan for baseball practice. They will have to throw it and catch it to each other with the clogs and the shoes on their hands from one end of the stage to the other end of the stage, right? So, I will be getting volunteers from the audience just shortly after the demonstration, but we will have a timer over here as well, so it will be a match of who can get it done the fastest. Ready? So, we're gonna start the demonstration now, and then audience members, if you are interested in participating, you can actually go ahead, just gather here if you already know that you want to participate. Alright. Alright, timer ready?
Yep. The timer's starting now. Alright, now she's opening the water bottle. Let's go, let's go. Okay, she got it, she got it. She's pouring it in. She's pouring it in. Everyone clap for her, let's go.
Make some noise, make some noise, you got it.
Alright. Let's see if she can open the tea bag. Come on, let's get it. She's struggling, oh man. Can she do it? Can she do it?
That tea doesn't like her. That tea doesn't like her very much.
I like her. Come on, let's go. She got it. Everyone clap, let's go.
Let's go.
Oh man, she's struggling. Let's go. You got it.
I think we'll try to open it a little bit for y'all when you get on stage.
Almost there. Come on, you got it.
They have to sign a form. I'm gonna end this recording soon.
This is taking a while, come on. That's at 1 minute, 8 seconds. Come on, you got this. Speed it up.
No way. See what about them?
Alright. If this happens, you can just open it. You know? It happens. People struggle. Alright, let's go. Let's pour that in. Okay.
Okay, alright. Number two, go.
Number two,
you gotta go fast. It's time.
Yo, 1 minute and 43 seconds. Come on.
There you go. Alright, 3 and 4.
Alright. Let's see if they can catch the ball. Everyone clap for this guy right here. Let's go.
And he fumbles.
Alright, now he's catching it. Hey,
There you go. That's one. That's 2 and a half times.
2 minutes, 9 seconds.
Alright, everybody give a big round of applause for our
It's hard.
Come on, Alex.
You got it?
Okay.
Yes.
It's at 44 seconds right now. 44 seconds.
Number 2 good for the team right now. Number 2 good.
Alright.